Hey, innovators! Are you ready to give your images life? In this video, I'll show you step by step how to animate your still photos using Canva. It's easy, fun, and your designs will never be the same. Let's get started. Right now, I'm in Canva. The first thing I want to do is go to Videos. I could choose either, so I'll choose that. It'll open a new video project. Now, I need to find an image to animate. I've already uploaded a few, so I'll go to my Upload section and choose this one. I don't know what it is about campfires, but they are just incredibly mesmerizing to watch. So, there's my starting image. Now, I'll right-click on it and duplicate it. So I'll have my original here, and then I'll have the one I'm working with here. Then I'll choose Background Remover and delete that second sky. The sky is gone. Then I'll line it back up. Next, I want to find a fire. I'll go to Videos and look for one. There'll be quite a few, but I want only the fire itself. Next, I will remove the background from it. Now I'll add it on top of this fire. Go to Position, then Layers. I'll click on it and duplicate it. Now I'll go to Edit, choose Magic Eraser, and I'm going to do some erasing. I'll take this piece and line it up. So let's go back to Position, and we'll leave it on the top for now. Let's watch it. That's pretty good. I'll take this one and duplicate it, then flip it and put it here. I'll put it underneath that stone ring. I'll move these a bit. Go to Videos and let's see what else we can use. That's a good one, but it's much longer, so I will shorten this until it's closer to 27 seconds. Click Done. Go back to Background. Now I'll resize it a little. Go back to Position and put it in between those two. Next, I'll add a new sky. Remember, one layer has the background removed. I'll go to Videos and look for Night Sky. Let's try this one. Go to Position and pull it between these two. Isn't that amazing? Okay, now we have clouds moving above. Let's look at the original we started with. Here it is after we played with it a bit. Nice. So there you go. So that's one example. Let's do one more. Watch me as I work. Feel free to grab some images of your own, open up Canva, then work along with me for practice. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like it, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and keep making it with AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.